Welcome to Indian Ads. Indian Ads is a classified advertisement website. Our website has 01 to 50 subject. Now I discuss about 43 subject repairing center, service center. You are a owner of any type of repairing center or service center. You can advertisement post on our website to get customer. You are a customer. You need a repairing center or service center. You can search on our website in number 43 subject repairing center, service center. This is home page or first page on our website. 43 subject repairing center, service center. Click on this button, scroll down the page. This is all India state and union territory list. You can choose your state or union territory. Click on this button, scroll down the page. This is city or district list in your state. You choose your city or district. Click on this button, scroll down the page. This is list of service center and repairing center. Click on this button. This is last page on our website. Here show service center details and service center contact details. You can direct contact with service center.